Hello everyone, welcome to YIHE's dehumidifier presentation. As you can see, this is our standard dehumidifier with regular airflow capacities of 170, 300, 600, 1000, and even larger. Today's model has a 600 airflow capacity. Next, I will introduce you to the various components of the product. 3 alarm indicator lights, phase sequence alarm, Regan fan alarm, hand fan alarm, power switch, control panel, 4 air inlets or outlets, dry air outlet, regeneration air inlet, regeneration air outlet, wet air inlet.